Hi, this is Dina Rennick. I'm an artist and an art teacher. I make videos on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. And I just learned a couple tricks from TikTok on lighting, so I tried them. And this is a test. So I used this lighting for my most recent YouTube video. I'll put a link down in the description below. But it's super low tech. I think it looks good. I'll show you what this light source actually is. It's a string of lights. Can you see that? It's just a string of lights that I didn't take out of the package, but I needed something here, according to the videos on TikTok, to give me a light back here. And then this is actually, they say you need to have a light up high, shining down low. But what it is, and I'm going to pull it over here and show you in a second, it is literally this desk lamp, and there's 3 bulbs, but I only turned on 2, and then it was too bright and shiny. So I put some wax paper over it and taped it with some skull duct tape. So let me show you what that looks like. Super high tech. So here's the skull duct tape, and it's an old lamp with wax paper on it. And obviously I've taped other things to it. There's mustache duct tape too. So I've got it up there. Let's see what it looks like without this light. So now if you look, it's got a crazy dark shadow there. Then I'm going to take off the wax paper. Oh, pour it. So there's the light without the wax paper. It's harsh. I got a lot more shininess on me, and my skin looks kind of red this way. And I've got this shadow here. So there's light, but it just doesn't look that great. Now I'm going to turn on the overhead light and see how that looks. There it is with the overhead light. That's with the overhead light and the lights with no wax paper over them. And then there's the overhead light with a wax paper over it. And then that's just the overhead light. Wow. So this is just the overhead light. There it is. It just looks so much clearer and less grainy with that light, which is called a key light. And then that gets rid of the shadow. So hopefully this lighting experiment was interesting to you. It was to me. It was obviously super cheap. I think the lamp was a hand-me-down. The decorative lights were definitely a hand-me-down. I should be careful not to leave them on too long because it's on cardboard. I'll probably have to get a different arrangement. For now, it worked though. If you try it, let me know. If you found the video useful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to y'all later. Thanks for stopping by. Love you. Bye. Mwah.